Some animals are way smarter than we give them credit for. Here are 5 that might outsmart you. The octopus can open jars, solve puzzles, and even escape aquariums. It's like an underwater escape artist. Crows use sticks as tools, drop nuts on roads for cars to crack, and even hold grudges. Tiny feathered geniuses. Some dolphins use sea sponges as armor to protect their nose while hunting on the ocean floor. That's next-level teamwork. Rats can figure out mazes, learn tricks, and remember solutions for months. Small brains, big problem solvers. Believe it or not, pigs can play simple video games with joysticks, and they're better at it than dogs. Which one surprised you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments.